everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar for you. I bought a couple that you might not have heard of or seen online. It's not your Glossybox, look fantastic, Space NK, but I've got a Rimmel London advent calendar. But it's not just Rimmel London. You've got Max Factor, Bourjois and Hansen as well in there, but it's known as a Rimmel advent calendar. I bought it from Notino. It retails for £63.20, but they've currently got a bit of a sale on their advent calendars, or certain ones anyway, and if you use code MAKEUP you can get it for £50 and 56p, which I thought was really good, and I'm sure shipping was free with that as well. And they've also got a deal on that if you were to spend £15 or more on Rimmel, then you get to choose a freebie between a face powder, they're both full size, a face powder or a bronzer. So I got translucent face powder. I used to be obsessed with this. Not the translucent one, the peach one. Was it a 003? That used to be like my favourite shade. I haven't used it in years. This is what appealed to me about this advent calendar. The fact that it's £50, so it's more of your affordable sort of advent calendar. There's 24 products inside, but it's all high street, which we all know and love. You'll find a link to it down below in my comments and also in my description. And in my description there, you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, including a little list of advent calendars that are currently available. So as well as this one, I have gone out and bought a Hoggies, which is thanks to one of my lovely followers that messaged me about it. If you love TK Maxx, then you're gonna love that, and that'll come soon. And I've also ordered another one as well, and I can't remember what it is. I can't remember now. But yeah, I want to bring you a wide selection of different advent calendars, but I do want to bring you some like more affordable ones, like the Holland & Barrett one for £45. That's just amazing. So yeah, anyway, on to this one. This is a little bit different in that, look, there's little parcels that you open up every day. Hold on, let's move this back a bit. There's a little note that comes with it. It says, "Dearest customer, as the holiday season unfolds, we are thrilled to share with you 24 beauty surprises to celebrate this festive occasion. Thank you for choosing us to be a part of your celebrations. Wishing you the happiest of holidays and a season filled with warm, beautiful moments." This is what they look like. So they got day number 1. Got a super bright nail polish by Hansen. Wow, that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. I have my nails done in a salon, but I do love wearing like wild colours on my toes. This is an Insta Dry nail colour and the shade is Beating Heart. So yeah, so that's day number 1. Day number 2. We got Rimmel, and this is Oh My Gloss. Up to 6 hour wear with argan oil. In shade, what is it? In shade My Eternity. I don't even know if all these products are full size. They may well be. Nichols is the other one. And the reason I'm excited about that one is because they're going back to their roots. A couple of years ago, Nichols was huge. I used to get like 30, 40 views on the advent calendar because it's so good. They did calendars that had full size products in them. And then the last couple of years, they've gone... No, really not great at all. But no, they've come back big this year. They've done it in the style of Home Alone, which is gorgeous. It's on its way. It might be on pre-order actually, but it's definitely coming, and I'll obviously show you as soon as it arrives. And yeah, everything is full size again. I love the lipsticks. I absolutely love them. So anyway, sorry, it's just sprung to my mind there. If you've got ADHD, you know what it's like. If you've got that information in your head, you have to blurt it out. So yeah, that's pretty, isn't it? I like that. Just a very nice neutral pinky. Oh, got a bit of shimmer, like a pink shimmery gloss there. Day number 3. We've got Bourjois, and this is Brow Reveal Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in medium brown. So this might be a bit dodgy because not all of us have medium brown eyebrows. That's not too bad actually. You can get quite a dark shade out of it, but also a light one as well. Can you see? Oop, there. If you do it really fine, you can get a nice shade there. We've got a medium brown precision eyebrow pencil there from Bourjois. Day number 4, we have got Max Factor 2000 calorie lip glaze in caramel swish. So because I live in the back of beyond, there was a Boots near me, so that was good. Well, not in the village I lived in, my gosh, no, the nearest Boots to me was about 15 miles away. But since I've moved to Pembrokeshire, obviously I've got more choice. That is gorgeous, I love that colour. See, I instantly have to go in for a sniff. No, that is really, really nice. So before online shopping existed, these used to be my go-to brands. Unless I went to Cardiff or something like that, and then I'd have much more choice then. Day number 5. This is, again, by Sally Hansen. This is Colour Therapy. This is really pretty. In Positivity. Can you see the colour there? It's like a jewel chrome. Really, really pretty. I might keep that out, actually, and put that on my nails. Down there. My toenails. Day number 6. And we've got Rimmel. This is Glam Eyes Professional Lip Liner in black. Did I say lip liner? It's an eyeliner. Whoops, hold on. I'm not doing very well at this at all. But it's a brush nib, which is nice to get right in there. It's small, basically. Look, it's teeny tiny. If you just like a subtle sort of eyeliner look, but obviously you can build it up. Day number 7. Got a Max Factor eyeshadow. This is in shade Honey Nude. Even though these shades are kind of boring, can you see it there? I do really like them because before I do any eyeshadow look, like smoky eye, I always go over the whole lid in a base colour. And this is perfect for that. It's not too pale, but it's pale enough to... I've got a natural matte highlight then underneath my eyebrows. But yeah, I like that. It's small and sweet. Day number 8. Next, we have got a lip liner by Bourjois. This is Velvet Contour in Cotton Candy. There. Ooh, that's a nice one. Very creamy. Let's see what the colour's like. Yeah, and the formula is really great. A little bit on the pink side for me, but I do really like the formula of it. It just feels so nice and it glides on really nicely on my skin. No, I'll definitely keep that and see what shades I can match that to. Day number 9. Got Rimmel, and this is Scandalize 24-hour wear waterproof kohl eyeliner in black. I've owned this. It's a good one. I can smudge it out. See? Nice smoky, smudgy eye. Day number 10. We've got a Sally Hansen. This is a Miracle Gel top coat. It says sugar. I don't know what that means. I know what a top coat is, but why it's got sugar on it, I don't know. Maybe my toenail polishes will last a bit longer with it. It says apply 2 coats of colour and activate with a top coat. So yeah, maybe I do need to put top coats on my toes then because they always flake off. Yeah, my toenails always look a bit rough, unfortunately. Okay, day number 11. And we've got here, this is from Bourjois again. This is a Kohl and Contour extra long wear eye crayon. It's got a seal, so I'll just take that off. So it's another black eyeliner, but you've got a sharpener as well. I prefer the other one, the Rimmel one I prefer. But I like that it's got a little sharpener there. I feel like they could have gone in with a different colour, maybe a brown or something. Day number 12, and we've got Max Factor Matte in Mauve. So it's a matte lipstick in mauve. I do like a mauve shade. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. Actually, the lip liner, maybe that will go with that. Maybe that's why they put it in. I think it would blend out. Yeah, that's nice. I love a matte lipstick with lip gloss on top. Day number 13. Oh, we've got Bourjois. This is Brow Fibre in OE, and it is in shade brown. There. Let's look at the shade for you. Woo. There. That looks a bit of a mess actually, doesn't it? I'm not using a lot of brow products at the moment. I'm just obsessed with Benefit, Precisely My Brow Detailer. Oh! Why didn't I click? I've got 2 now. 2 2 transparent stay matte powders. Lightweight, mattifying, lasts up to 9 hours. Yeah. The freebie, I had a choice of this one or the bronzer. So maybe we've got the bronzer in there as well. This is just like an added extra. If you don't get the bronzer, then your freebie, it could be the bronzer as well. So day number 15. Oh, I like these. This is Bourjois Rouge Velvet, the lipstick, and I've got it in Hyper Pink Chic. There. I had it in a gorgeous, I still might have it actually. I have had it for a couple of years. I've got it in a gorgeous like rust colour. Oh, look at that. It feels so, so nice. Yeah, the lip liner would go better with this one. See, that is a gorgeous colour. That is really pretty. So Rouge Velvet, the lipstick by Bourjois. Day number 16. We've got Max Factor Facefinity All Day Flawless Airbrush Finish Concealer. Up to 30-hour wear. And this is in shade 020, whatever that is. So again, a little bit of a dodgy product, same as the eyebrow pencil, because we all have different skin tones, don't we? There. Feels nice though. Good for brightening under your eyes. It is on the yellow side. I'll have to see what it's like, but it looks like it'll give a good coverage. Just depends if the shade will suit me or not. Day number 17. We've got another Sally Hansen nail polish. This is Miracle Gel in shade Terra Copper. So it's a very shimmery, goldy copper. Again, that's pretty, isn't it? Day number 18. We've got Rimmel Lasting Finish Lip Liner in Matilda Labra. There's very similar shades, isn't it? This is more of your mauve, so this will go well with that mauve. I think it was Max Factor. They're very similar, but they are different, thankfully. This is really annoying, but unfortunately, I've just lost footage of the last couple of items in the calendar, so I'm having to show you this way. I'm so sorry. I didn't want to scrap the video, but oh, I'm just so annoyed. So this is day number 19, and this is Sally Hansen Insta Dry, and it's in Party Fuchsia. The colour is stunning. It's a metallic bright pink. Hopefully the camera will bring that up, but it's so, so pretty. So yeah, so we've got another nail polish there. We have got a Bourjois mascara, and this is Volume Glamour Coupe de Foudre. I'm obviously not saying that right, but this is in black. And this is the wand. I've never tried this one before, so this is new for me. So you've got a mascara by Bourjois. And if that mascara didn't suit you, you could try this one. This is Rimmel, and this is Wonder Extension. It's a lash extension effect mascara in black. And that's the wand there. It says it's in shade Very Black. And they've also given us another one, but this is a waterproof by Max Factor. It's 2000 calorie. I remember this back in the day. I absolutely loved the non-waterproof version of this mascara. So no, I'm really chuffed actually that we've got a waterproof one in this calendar. It's a little wand, so really great for my bottom lashes, which are non-existent. So you got Max Factor 2000 calorie waterproof mascara there. We've got another Max Factor product, and this time it's a kohl pencil, and it's in shade brown. So it looks like, I really like this one. Formula is really smooth and creamy, and yeah, the fact that it's brown as well. So yes, we've got a Max Factor pencil there. And then lastly, we've got a Radiance Brick by Rimmel. This is a multi-tonal shimmer powder, and it's in light, I believe. Yeah, it's in light. That's what it looks like. I've owned this in the past as well. And you can see on my hand there. I'm so, so sorry. I'm having to film with my mobile at night. It's not as great quality as my big camera. I didn't know that I had a corrupt file until I started editing, but there you go. That is the last item, and that was actually day number 24. So yeah, so those are all the products in the Rimmel plus Max Factor, Sally Hansen, and Bourjois advent calendar. I think it's quite a good advent calendar, especially if you like your pinks. If you hate pinks, then this is not for you. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself? Or as it's all a full-size makeup advent calendar, it might make a really good gift, or even for a teen as well. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Even if you think it's a load of rubbish, Claire, I would still love to know what you think. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.